Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me. For this episode, this will be the first garden update of the new year. So I will be showcasing all the plants that came back or I had started within the last few months. Sorry for a bit of the absence, but as the winter came, there wasn't really much going on, so I didn't want to bore you guys with like some of the small developments. So let's get to it. Just wanted to let you guys know that if you have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to leave some comments down below. Going to try to go back to the monthly schedule with this process. So if you guys have any suggestions or if you have any plants or anything that you want me to do more of in-depth focus on, please let me know. If you see any plants missing here, either they possibly died or I just didn't get a chance to put them in. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you can, leave a comment, any type of comment. That just kind of helps push the algorithm and shows this video off to more people. And if you guys don't like anything about this video, please include it in the comments. I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to be better. And I want to get to a point where I'm making quality videos like this. So I cannot do that without your input and help. So once again, I appreciate you guys. And let me know if you need anything else. Thanks again for sticking with me through another one of these videos, and I can't wait to see you guys for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon.